How to enable end-to-end encryption on Android phone. So if you want your messages to stay truly private, you need to enable end-to-end encryption in Google Messages app. This means that only you and the person you are chatting with can access and see your messages. No one else, not even Google, will be able to see your messages. Let's get started. Firstly, what we're going to do is we are going to open Google Messages on the phone. Do not confuse it with Samsung Messages. Make sure you're opening Google Messages. And on the top, you will see G icon, which stands for Google. So basically, if I open chat with this person, will not find here information about RCS chats. RCS chats is the feature which allows us to enable end-to-end encryption to make our chat private and also adds a lot of else cool features such as send read receipts, show typing indicators, and so on. But it is important that you and your friend does have this feature turned on in settings. So here we cannot see marking RCS chats, right? We're gonna go back in the messages. Then we're gonna tap the profile icon in the top right and choose messages settings. On the top, you will see RCS chats. Make sure your friend has this feature as well. So now you just need to turn that on. After that, it will check your mobile number and then you should see status connected with your mobile number and that RCS chats are turned on. Additionally, you can manage here features send read receipts, show typing indicators, automatically resend as text, and so on. Now ask your friend to do the same, then go back in the messages list and select chat with your friend. And after that, you will see little log icon and marking RCS chat with this person, meaning that you have successfully enabled end-to-end encryption. So that's it for today. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.